Hello everyone and welcome to Crypto Atlas. This is a tutorial video on how to buy SafeMoon using Uniswap. That is the Ethereum blockchain. That's the main point off of this, guys. If you're new to the channel, please do not forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up like button. It definitely helps us out with the YouTube search algorithm, and share this video if you think other people will find this video to be helpful. Please keep in mind I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I'm sharing is my own opinion, it's my own research. I encourage you to do your own research. And I am on Twitter if you guys want to check me out at CryptoAtlasYT. You guys can see my handle right down below the webcam section right there. Okay, so first thing you're going to want to do is go to uniswap.org. This is whether you're on a mobile device or if you're on the computer. I also recommend that you have a wallet already prepared for this. So for this instance, because I'm doing this via the computer, I'm going to go ahead and use MetaMask. But you can also use other wallets. There's options such as the Coinbase wallet, which please keep in mind that there are 3 apps you can download for Coinbase. There's Coinbase Pro, there's Coinbase, and then there's the Coinbase wallet. So for the purposes of this video, what I'm referring to is the Coinbase wallet. So once you're at uniswap.org, you can click on the top right-hand side here, and it's going to redirect you over to app.uniswap. So you're clicking on Use Uniswap. This redirected address, app.uniswap.org, I will include a link to this in the description. So if you want, you can just go directly to that. And what you're going to want to do here is first connect a wallet. Now I'm going to go back here just for a second and show you guys something. SafeMoon had shared the actual contract address. So this is in regards to the Ethereum blockchain. I'm going to go ahead and paste this in the description so you can copy and paste this whenever you get back over towards this step. Okay, so from here, let me go ahead and close out these other tabs. So from here, what you're going to want to do is go to the top and click on Connect to a Wallet. So again, for the purposes of this video, I'm going to go ahead and use MetaMask. Because of Trust Wallet recently with an iOS update, they no longer have the dApps location there. One of the workarounds when people are trying to get the SafeMoon through the BSC chain was to use the Wallet Connect and then to click on the Trust Wallet. So if you guys want to try and take that approach, you guys can. Again, just for the purposes of this video, I'm going to go ahead and be using my MetaMask. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get myself logged in here. And just going through the steps to connect. Once that has been connected, you can verify that because you will see an address up in the very top right. So from here, then what we're going to want to do is paste this contract address. So I'm going to go ahead and just copy this real quick. And let's say I want to use Ethereum. We're going to go ahead and see what options do we have here. But what I'm doing right now is I'm clicking on Select a Token. And in the search bar, I'm going to go ahead and paste in that address. And what you're going to notice is pSafeMoon. I'm going to click on Import. Now this doesn't have an icon as of the moment. By the time that you're watching the video, they may have an update with this. And they're now showing some sort of an icon. It is very new. This token doesn't appear on the active token list. Make sure this is the token that you want to trade. Yes, this is the token that I want to trade. I'm going to go ahead and click on Import. And now we need to be able to choose our balance. So for the purposes of this, I do have a balance of Ethereum, but if you wanted to use something else, you can take a look at whatever's available on your wallet. So if you don't have something in your wallet, well, that's step one, right? Is you're going to need to move some cryptocurrency onto your wallet so that you can actually be able to spend it. So for this purpose, we're going to use the Ethereum. Okay, so I've got the Ethereum right here. I'm going to go ahead and type in an amount. We're going to go ahead and put in 0.05. And this is going to give you a little prompt. It says no liquidity, click to trade with version 2. You want to click that. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. Now you can see that that icon has disappeared. And now it shows you the recommended amount that you could receive in the pSafeMoon. I'm going to go ahead and click on the cogwheel up here on the top because you're going to need to add slippage. This is the same thing like when you're trying to buy SafeMoon before using the Binance Smart Chain. I have a separate video where I was talking about workarounds with Trust Wallet and stuff like that. So if you guys want to check out that video on my channel, you guys can. But for the purposes of this video, we're focusing on Uniswap. So I'm going to go ahead and type in 12%. Says your transaction may be front run. That is standard. So we're going to go ahead and now click on the cogwheel again just to get rid of that little menu. That 12%, Slippage fee is now being applied here. We got 0.05 Ethereum, what I'm using at least, which is about $110 worth. And then you can see this amount right down below. I'm going to go ahead and click on swap. It is going to tell you what the values are going to be here, the liquidity provider fee, the route, the price impact, how much that's going to happen, right? The minimum received that you're going to get. This is because of the slippage. So I know for sure I'll at least get that amount. You're hoping to get this amount up on top, but because of slippage, you might end up getting the lower amount, right? And then you're going to go ahead and click on confirm swap. Now I'm going to try and show you guys something because it should actually prompt us with this. So let's try something really small. All right, I'm just doing like $1.10 worth. So 0.0005, obviously this is very low amount of SafeMoon. I'm going to go ahead and click on swap, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on confirm swap. Waiting for confirmation. It's going to tell you what the gas fee is. Now, you may not have enough of your whatever you're trying to pay with, right? The Ethereum, etc., because it's using the Ethereum blockchain and their Ethereum gas fees. And the Ethereum gas fees can fluctuate in price. So in this example, what I'm trying to do is buy a little bit over $1 worth of SafeMoon. And I'm using that by using a little over $1 worth of Ethereum. But the Ethereum gas fees for this transaction is $8.14, or sorry, $8.11. If I click on edit, from here, I actually have a couple other options of what I can choose from. Okay, so by clicking on edit, I can choose slow, average, or fast. So you can see the $8.11 reference is referencing to that of the average. If you want it to be a little bit cheaper, go ahead and click on slow. Just keep in mind that the time frame of when you'll receive that SafeMoon is going to take a little bit longer. But obviously in a scenario like this, it doesn't really seem cost efficient, right? So you're using $1, but you're having to pay $6.40, so roughly 6 times more the amount that you're willing to spend just to even do the transaction. So if you're doing larger based transactions, then this really doesn't become quite as big of a deal. And it also, again, depends on what time of the day it is that you're doing. I'd say the biggest recommendation for you guys is if you're trying to conserve on your money for now, go through all the extra steps with the Binance Smart Chain. I know it's kind of a pain in the butt, but hey, if you're trying to conserve on money, it's more cost efficient with that. If you already have Ethereum and other things set up here and you're just wanting to use the assets that you can, well, now you know the steps to be able to do it. But also keep in mind, please, that Ethereum is making updates. And one of the updates that is expected to be coming out is to be moving over to proof of stake. And by doing so with that, we should actually get some more fixed rate gas fees. And by doing so, all this like outrageous amounts that just doesn't make any sense when you're trying to do the trades, that's probably going to dramatically change. And so at that point in time, all of this that I'm showing you can be way more efficient, way more feasible. But I understand right now it just doesn't make much sense when you're trying to do small trades. So if you're just wanting to try and get in on it, you couldn't figure it out with the Binance Smart Chain or whatever, this is the method that you would go to do this. All you would do from here is just click confirm, right? And then your transaction is done. It's going to be added to your wallet address, and that is it. Now, if you're curious to learn more about what pSafeMoon actually is and how it works, does it have the reflections, all that kind of stuff, I'm going to make a separate video that's going to be short and sweet. Thankfully, one of the moderators for the SafeMoon Discord has already laid this out. So basically, I'm just going to be reading through it, and I'll elaborate on it a little bit more, but I will have a separate short video on that. Hopefully, this video was helpful for you. Guys, please, if you're new, do not forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up like button, and share this video. And if you want to earn some free cryptocurrencies or free stocks, or both, then check out the referral links I have in the description. They're there for you guys. It helps out my channel. It's a nice extra way because I get a little something as a kickback as an affiliate with it. And, well, not actually not as an affiliate with it, but a referral link anyways. And, yeah, so you guys let me know in the comments how you guys are doing, if this was helpful. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next episode.